Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy your college search with Niche easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin your college search with Niche, visit the Niche website. Once you're on the home page, locate the search bar. Type in the type of college or university you're interested in. You can search by major, location, or other criteria according to your preferences. After entering your criteria, click on the search icon. You'll be presented with a list of schools that match your search. Take time to review the options listed. Click on any college name to access more detailed information. On the college's profile page, explore the general overview. Look for details about admission requirements, tuition, and enrollment statistics. Check out reviews from current and former students to get insights. If you're interested in a specific program, navigate to that academic section. Read about the major offerings and faculty qualifications. To do this, use the comparison tool available on the site. Select the colleges you wish to compare. Once selected, view their details side by side for easier analysis. Once you have narrowed down your options, start the application process. Find key application deadlines and requirements on each college's profile. Bookmark the profiles of colleges you plan to apply to for easy access later. Utilize the filtering options to refine your search as needed. Remember to revisit and adjust your criteria as your priorities change. Use the college quiz feature for personalized recommendations. Take advantage of resources and articles provided on Niche for additional guidance. Make sure to follow up on each school's social media for more updates. Finally, stay organized by creating a spreadsheet of all your findings. This method will help streamline your college search journey with Niche. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.